How to log in gatecity.bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your gatecity.bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in www.gatecity.bank. Then you will land onto its official website. Here you can see online banking. Simply enter your user ID. Once done, type in your password and click on to go. In case you have not signed up for this account, you can do that by clicking on sign up icon. Here you can enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your social security number, and just like so, this is how you can create yourself an account. But if you already have an account and if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, go on to these links and get help resetting your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.